Hello there. I'm going to show you how to install printers on your computer. There are three ways to install printers on your computer. Through the IT help, which is often the easiest way, through the IT network name, through the directory, or through an IP address. So the first method, you basically click Start menu, All Programs, IT help. If you're prompted with a user account control, click Yes. Okay, then you'll want to go to the printer tab, click that. This will list all of your current printers installed on your computer. To add a printer, click Add Printer, click the drop down button. So right here it has all of the Kelly Center, or actually the Kelly School printers. So yeah, it only lists your site specific printers. So we're going to add the Kelly Center Room 14, the Family Service Room color printer. Basically, the 553 is the HP color printers, and then the Sharps will be listed as 6070. Some of the other sites like Sitten and Grout have like 4070, something like that. A little bit different model name, 4070N. Okay, so we're adding the color printer here in room 14. Select that printer, then click Install. Let it load. Okay, so now it's added. So you can also set the default printer. So right now the current one is listed as true. As default is the Kelly Center Office 553. If you want to switch it, you just click the printer, set as default. If you want to delete a printer, click the printer so it turns blue, then click delete printer, then yes. Okay, so that's the preferred easiest method right there, but if your computer doesn't have the IT help application, you can do the second option by looking up the printer in the directory. And we have this sheet right here with all of the printers listed, site, room number, location essentially, make, model, network name, and IP address. So let's go on here and look for Claritin's Sharp black and white copy machine. So click the Start menu, go to Devices and Printers, add a printer, then select Add a Network Wireless or Bluetooth printer, then select the printer that I want isn't listed. Up here you want to select Find a printer in the directory based on location or feature, hit Next. You can make this bigger. Okay, so I typically just type in the site under name. So let's type in Claritin, hit enter, or you can click Find Now. So this is all of Claritin's printers right here. So here is the Claritin Office Sharp 6073. So click that, and you want to double click, and it'll install the printer with driver. Click Select, then hit Finish. Another thing to mention, I forgot to mention, when you're doing the IT help option, oftentimes when you delete printers under there, like it's a good idea to delete the old printers, like the Ricoh copy machines and the old HP printers. But so yeah, they don't always delete under here. So if you need to delete, it would be a good idea to come over here and double check. If you need to delete a printer, click the printer, right click, then click Remove Device, then hit Yes. Okay. So the last method to install a printer you can install with the IP address. Now this option actually allows you to change the name of the printer, because I know it can be difficult, particularly for larger sites with a lot of printers, to identify printers when you go to print. So you can actually change the name on this option. I've had difficulties adding the printers. It won't pull up the make and model driver for a particular printer. This is the option right here. So when you go in there to add the printer, you look up Sharp, and even if you do the Windows update of printers, the list, it won't show the appropriate model of printer. So in order to go around that, you'll need to go online and install the actual driver. So in order to do that, go to Google. Using this reference sheet right here, type in the make and model. So we're going to type in Sharp MX M6070N and then type driver. Go to the driver. You'll need to scroll down. Go to drivers and utilities. You want to pick the 64-bit option right here. So Windows 64 operating system driver package. So click download. You'll want to save the file. Can you access the file right here? Double click again, extract all, then type in extract, push extract. Okay, then you'll want to click on the folder again. So it's installed, so now you're running the program. Click yes, next. Now I already installed this, so I'm overriding and installing it again just to show you. Click yes. Alright, so you want to select standard installation. So it's not recognizing the IP address, so if you want to input the IP address, specify a condition. So this is Clarendon's main office copy machine. So 10.148.8.10. Then click search. Oh, it's not found. Maybe I typed it in wrong. Okay, so all the information for the printer has showed up right there. So click next. So if you need to add any additional printers, you have to do that manually. And when we do this option now, since you installed the driver, it'll pull up the driver automatically, and you won't have that issue that I described before. So click Start menu, Devices and Printers. Okay, so yeah, click Add Printer, Add Network, Wireless, or Bluetooth Printer. Go down below. The printer that I want isn't listed. And you'll want to select the middle option. Actually, no. Bottom option. Add a printer using a TCP IP address or hostname. Click Next. In the middle here under hostname or IP address, type in the IP address. So we're going to type in 10.148.8.10. Then click Next. You'll want to use the driver that is currently installed, recommended. Next. So right here, this is where you can actually change the name of the printer. So I'd recommend keeping this information at the front where it lists, Sharp MX M6070 PCL6. And at the end you can add, a description. So, and you can even abbreviate it. Clarendon Office Copy Machine. Then hit Next. You can set as your default printer if you want, and print a test page to make sure it's working properly. Then hit Finish. And as you can see here, list the printer with the name. And some other information. So this printer information sheet, you can utilize this to, add printers to your computer, or even get it serviced. So let's say, the Clarendon printer has an issue or something breaks, it's, jammed up. Um, Basically, all you have to do is call PPSIT or shoot them an email, and provide this ID number right here, and they'll know exactly which printer it is. Um, you know, so if you need to contact all the supplies and repairs are done through PPSIT, and then they send you the supplies or send Pacific Office Automation out to come repair your machine. So you'll need to, order toner, the toner collection bay, and staples, stuff like that. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.